Hello guys, welcome back to this video. Today we're going to be playing Emergency Ending, and I'm just starting my shift as a police officer. And one of my, people who work for us is coming to pick me up. It's Harris, and Matthew is here as well.
Hello.
That's him.
Hi.
You went past me. I'm not down there. Whoa! What are you doing?
I need to go and get fuel in this van, Gemma.
You'll make it to the police station, won't you?
Yeah, well.
They're robbing the bank. We need to go back for them when I actually start the shift.
By the way, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yes! Thank you for the 1.1k views on our short.
Also, thanks for the 4 subscribers.
Yay!
Harris, is that you ran out of fuel?
No, I'm just waiting at the red light.
I'll go through it. Don't be a scaredy cat.
Oh, whoa, that's illegal. I didn't even get a fight. Okay. I've got all my guns refilled. No match. Oh, boys. I'm gonna take the domain.
Oh, yeah, Joe.
Yeah, Harris, take the double Z. Alright, double Z. If you didn't know, Harris is a little pay to win boy.
What?
If you didn't know, Harris is a little pay to win boy and bought the double Z with Robux. He
Wait.
didn't grind.
Right, Harris, go to the bank because there are people robbing the bank.
No, wait, yeah, we've just got a transmitted bank robbery. Okay,
Wait,
so we have a bank robbery.
The other way so they don't suspect us.
I'm just going the main way.
Right, I'm just gonna go the different way.
On scene! You've got other cops.
Guys, look how fast this car is going. It's
Whoa.
it's the best car what a police person can get.
I'm inside the boat.
Go. We need to go. Matthew, is there any people there if they already broke away?
No,
Right, we're
Here.
well, no. Wait out.
Whoa, wait, that's a police guy. It didn't
I
even
blocked
look
the
like he was
guy
inside.
because that's the thing, they can't get out if I blocked it.
Right,
Going
right.
in with weapons.
it's clear.
Right, I'm just right, that's alright. So I'll clear. Right, see if I get my tire stuff in here. Yeah?
Sorry, but Harris had to go. So it'll just be me and Matthew in this video now. So we have to keep going.
Sadly. He
Yeah.
might come back.
He might. Yeah, he might. Whoa! Who's ever watching this video? How is he not wanted? He's in a gang and he's just ran right into me and he's got a gun.
Just because he's in a gang and he has a gun, it doesn't mean he's wanted.
Well, he's got a gun.
Guys, put your thoughts down in the comments. If somebody's in a gang and has a gun, but hasn't shot anybody, should he be wanted or not? Put your thoughts down in the
Oh,
comments.
Harris is back, guys.
Told you. I'm gonna draft you at the bank. You ready? Yeah. What?
Oh my God!
What you doing, mate?
Get away from him. He's mental.
No mental, mate.
That was so easy to get away from him.
Why?
He's a suspect. That yellow car.
Is he
Where, in
actually?
here?
No, he's
Yeah,
getting
he's a
away
shot.
down here. Down here.
He's in.
I think it's a yellow Lambo I can see. No, that's not a
Yeah.
Lambo actually, it's not a Lambo.
Oh!
Who was that?
Where?
I don't know, he's away back somewhere.
He's going near the garage. Car shop.
Whoa!
Dealer.
Move!
He's car shooting, but not for long, buddy. He's in a yellow Tesla looking at thing.
Yellow Tesla.
He's dead, how? How is he not gone yet?
Matt, where are you?
Here.
Yeah.
I
See
was...
these stupid moped drivers, man. Honestly, tell them to move on the bike lane at this point. Mate, they bloody made my mirror fall off.
Where did they win?
I don't know, he just vanished. Whoa, he looks like a suspect.
That undercover police car, mate.
Is it actual?
Yeah.
It's just because
Look
he
at
was...
the top.
It's just 'cause he was going so fast.
Got the thing, yeah. Don't judge a book by its cover.
Can I get a name check on the system? No, not wanted, not wanted.
Yep, not wanted.
Right, we're pulling into the hotel, McKinley.
Why would there be
Wait,
any
so
people
down
here?
at the car shop.
We're pulling into the hotel. We might need somewhere to stay for the night.
Copy, I'm coming. Add me to the reservation. Add me to the reservation. I'm on my way.
I've not got enough at 75k. What?
Guys, did you add me to the reservation?
No, it was 75k. Wait, out of here?
Right. We're going to the petrol station.
I'm
McKinley.
lagging, kinda.
What?
I'm kinda lagging.
Damn, man.
If the people watch this over, put in the comments if you think I'm lagging or not.
That's it.
Oh, yes, will be.
Whoa,
And
fam!
I think for subscribers to get on a new PS5 or an Xbox or something.
Whoa, shoot, open fire! He's won!
Fire, open fire.
He's actually won.
He's aligned there.
I know, I can see.
I'm going.
Dead! I've cooked him.
He's good.
Is that Matthew?
Finish it.
I'm here. Guys, stand far.
Oh!
Whoa! That's just blowing me up. Somebody call a paramedic, I need one.
No, this guy just nipped my head.
Call a paramedic.
Right, the next would you as well?
Wait, what is this guy doing?
Matt, you get in.
I can't, I'm still getting revived. This guy's running over my body.
We just very illegally exploded the car.
Get in.
Can.
Medic, thank you.
Woohoo! Medic, thank you, medic. Okay, where should we go now? Are you
Whoa.
one?
Wanted! Oh, how is he not wanted?
Matt, get in. We're doing something.
Who are they both
Wait,
not?
where are you?
Matt, get in.
They both ain't wanted. There's
Like,
not
ah.
been-
What's that, police?
Is it actually?
Yeah.
I'm dumb.
We're going to start from here. Right, we're going.
Go past the bridge.
100. 150. Yeah? Alright. 162.
Are you guys going past the bridge?
Oh, Harris, look, in there, look, car.
I gotta go by.
Guys, that Harris has to go. It'll just be me and Matthew and your video from now on.
Matt, where are you?
I don't even know. I'm following a car in like the woods.
In the woods.
I think I'm at a bunker. I can see.
Ah, I know where you are.
Whoa, I am at a bunker. Who is this? Whoa, there's a wanted guy in here. No, wait, there's actually a wanted guy in here. Whoa, get out the car. Now, out the car.
Wait, request backup.
Yeah.
I see.
Ah, there was actually just a wanted guy in there.
The bunker's just opened.
I know, there was a wanted guy in it.
I'm in it.
Are you, wait, you're in the bunker, get out of it.
No.
But there's nobody in it.
So?
There's a wanted guy right over at the football pitch.
Is there?
Yeah, I'm following him, that's why I said get out of it.
Okay.
Well, he's just taking that turn. He's going to the left of the football pitch. Get him, Matthew. No, you're going the wrong way.
I'm coming down to the football pitch.
I meant the other one. Whoa, there's more. Oh my god, there's more. Ah,
Where?
shots fired. Bring a car.
Where?
Bring a car. Over here. I'll call for backup. Where?
Oh, there.
There's so many wanted people there.
I've took shots on them.
Good. Have you tasted any of them? Or like, is any of them dead?
They're heading into the bunker.
Guys, I think that's going to need to be it for this video.
No, let me arrest.
Sorry, and wait, we've got an arrest down here, come on. We have to go see it.
No!
Oh,
I tased one.
my
Okay, yeah,
DAC
just
gone.
laugh at you.
Right, guys, sorry, but that's the end of the video. It was a pretty boring one. It was actually alright because we did get into a big ram quite a couple of times and my door's off. But I know it was quite a boring one. See you in the next one, guys. Peace. We out.